the fucking red sign, you dickhead!
Howdy, Grandpa.
Hey, one fucking lane, stupid.
Look.
Whoopsies!
Fucking idiot, Mr. Suzuki.
Give a fuck, mate. You can fucking stay where you are.
Yeah. Yeah, DoorDash.
Straight across it.
No fucks given.
Yep.
Jeez.
What the hell? What the shit was that?
What's up with that?
Bloody Nora.
Bloody Nora!
Did the car just go past in front?
Yeah. Missed us by that much. It'll be on here.
Bloody hell. Shit.
What? The Mer stopped when the others didn't? Oh, wow.
Hi.
By the Australian Communications and Media Authority. If you'd like a copy, contact this station or download from the commercial radio and Rio Australia website.
Yes.
Radio.
Like UV, for instance. It's a big problem over the warmer months. Good to know CrimSafe helps there too. Serious. CrimSafe keeps out 62% of UV rays. It's also the only screen keeping out flies, mozzies and some nasty bloke called Phil, all while letting in fresh air and natural light. I mean, seriously. Gotta love that. If it's not CrimSafe, it's not...
On approval.
And straight through the red
Now
light.
home loans. Now more than money.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
guys, and thank you guys for being a part of my life and the support. And you gotta be good to the support, and you gotta be good to yourself, baby. Okay.
Fucking hell, what's this fucking guy doing?
Highs of 31 to 36 and shower
Fucking blind.
on Thursday. Right now, 27 in Penrith, 26
Fucking
in
dickhead. Holy shit. Fucking hell. Straight into his vein. Yeah, nearly gonna fucking hit all these cars turning. What a dumb.
Camera and speed camera.
Red light ticket.
Oh, you twat.
Stop breaking the law, asshole!
There we go. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, wow, it is cool.
Cool ride.
I love the colour.
Will now start.
Manchester. Refresh your home with our stylish range of cushions, candles and lighting, rugs, curtains and more. Everything you need to update your home and lifestyle for the summer holidays. Visit our new domain store at Brigham Vegas and at Kessels Road.
Oh, Mr. Roo is running. Hello. Just
Be careful, don't come across this way. I know you're encroaching. Come on, mate. Don't give way.
Oh, Unit 2. What's she saying?
Ooh, echidna. Yeah, we're not going to let him...
Hey, buddy!
I didn't want him to fucking get run over, man, seriously.